Hello guys, I want to share new campaign in Binance Wallet. So go to Binance Wallet. Then go to Discover. Then click RealGo. So this campaign is already ongoing. So you can join guys. RealGo token on TGA happening on this campaign period is starting last July 16 until July 30. So just connect wallet, then you will get 100 points. Go to task center, then successfully you credited 100 points. So you need to hold at least $10 of asset like USDT or BNB or USDC. So I use BNB. So click receive to deposit in your wallet. Click receive. Then transfer from Binance Exchange or receive from other wallet address or other crypto exchange. Just deposit on your Binance wallet. So just confirm check-in. You need to pay gas fee. So this is the rules. Check-in players must complete 7 consecutive days as 7 consecutive or cumulative check-ins. So you must hold at least 100 RealGo loyalty points. So this is the reward guys, 15 million worth of tokens, RT tokens. 11 days remaining. So yun lang po, check-in lang po tayo dito guys. So hindi pa po nag-reflect yung ating asset. Thank you for watching.